Hi, Rebecca and Lisa. Rebecca, it was great talking with you. I wanted to send you this quick website audit as promised to show you where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So in this video, I'm going to go over a few easy ways to beat your competition online. I know that most business owners are extremely busy and they don't necessarily have the time to handle all of the marketing needs of their business. So that's why I started making these videos to just give some tips and suggestions, and hopefully this video will be helpful to you. If you have any questions or if you'd like to discuss any of this further, I'd love to hop on a call with you, but either way, this video is 100% yours to keep. So the three things we're going to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Content is anything on the front page of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the home page, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like exterior painting San Antonio, house painter San Antonio, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will pop right up. So looking at your website, I can tell there was a ton of time, effort, and money poured into it by how professional and easy to navigate it is. It really is a beautiful site. I really like the design and the layout of the homepage, and it also has really great information on the homepage as well. So it's really awesome. You even have video testimonials, which is going above and beyond the normal user experience. So overall, an excellent homepage. Now, looking up here, I went ahead, let me go down here again. Went ahead here and clicked on your service pages, and I like how you have the pages separated, one for each service, because it really helps each of these back pages to rank. So on the service pages, 500 words is typically a good number to strive for as far as content goes there. One suggestion I have for you on your homepage, I was just kind of looking at the load speed. So I would go ahead and just make sure that your homepage is optimized for mobile users. So when I ran it through Google Site Speed Analyzer, it rated your mobile version at 16 out of 100. So this is typically because your various media are not optimized for mobile. And a lot of people, as you probably know, are using their mobile devices to search for everything these days. So that would be great for you guys to kind of look into. Overall, though, the main thing that I would say about your homepage, a suggestion that I have, is you'll definitely want to add enough words to reach that 1,500 to 2,000 mark. So it looks like right now you have about 918 words when I used my word counter. So you'll want to add more relevant keyword-rich content in order to hit at least 1,500 words. And then a standard rule of thumb that I use is one keyword phrase for every 100 words, just so that Google doesn't think that your keyword stuffing is what it's called, where you have too many keywords just kind of dropped in there randomly. You want it to look really organic and natural within your paragraphs. So if you were to do 1,500 words, you could do anywhere from 10 to 15 keywords, just kind of spread throughout the paragraphs on your homepage, and that will be the ideal. So the next thing I want to go over with you is backlinks. The thing with Google is it can kind of be like a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. So now, very important to remember, not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry. So for example, a reputable home improvement blog that mentions your company would be a good one for you. Or a popular website that features various types of home services is another good one. So something that has to do with the services you offer, you're going to get a lot more influence given to you from that type of backlink versus a backlink from, let's say, your local Domino's Pizza or Macy's department store, for example. So a tool I use to measure backlinks is called Ahrefs, and it gives a ton of really valuable data in terms of how much traffic is coming into your website. So I went ahead and put your website in up here, and it looks like you guys have, over 12,700 backlinks from 4,650 different referring domains, so different websites, which is really awesome. And you have over 16,000 for your organic traffic. So that tells me you're getting a lot of traffic coming into your website. It's a huge number, and it's great to see. However, I wanted to bring your attention to these organic keywords here. So if we click on your organic keywords, it looks like you're ranking for national keywords and not necessarily strong buyer intent searches. So the majority of your traffic is probably coming in the form of national and not location-specific informative searches, such as this top one right here, how to paint kitchen cabinets. So you're drawing a lot of customers to your site, which is great, but I'd be willing to bet that most of them are not in your service area for potential jobs. Your San Antonio location page has a 0 for organic traffic, so you're really not getting any website visits there to that specific page. And I think if you were to add on target a bunch of keywords that had San Antonio in it, then you would start getting a lot more buyer intent visits to your site. So compared to your top competitor in San Antonio, I went ahead and put their site in up here, Texas Professional Painting. You can see that they don't have as much organic traffic as you guys, but when you click on their keywords, they have a lot of buyer intent keywords. So painting San Antonio, painter San Antonio, San Antonio painting. So a lot of theirs is location specific. And you can see that, they are probably getting more customers that actually are going to pursue them and they're going to do a job for because of that. So I just wanted to bring your attention to that. So the last thing I want to talk to you about today is citations. Citations are very important because if someone wants a service now, they're going to go to Google and let's say they type in painter San Antonio. So they're going to go to Google and they're going to look here at the local map pack and think that these top 3 businesses are the very best for painters in San Antonio. And that is not necessarily true. These might not be the 3 best companies in terms of painters in San Antonio, but the reason they're up here at the top is because they have more citations. So citations are anywhere on the internet where your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories, such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, just to name a few. So again, what we tell our clients with this is kind of the same type of strategy that we go for with backlinks or organic keywords, is we want to go in and get whatever directories the competition is being listed in and list yourself in those exact same directories. And then you want to add on a space cushion, so 20 to 30%. More directories than your competition. And over time, what's going to happen is you're going to end up infiltrating this Google My Business local map pack, and then you're going to be at the top, and by the time your competitors realize it, they're not going to be able to catch up. And you're just going to keep adding on more backlinks, citations, and getting all that new business from people in your area. So I think for you guys, the main thing is just targeting specific keywords that are very location specific for you. That way you have people visiting your site that are, not necessarily looking for how to paint kitchen cabinets, but they're in your area and they want to hire you guys to do the job for them. So in closing today, I just wanted to show you my website in case you guys wanted to give me a call or have any questions after watching. This is my phone number and this is my company, Lobo Leads. And in closing, I just wanted to thank you so much again for watching this video. I definitely hope to hear back from you guys soon, and I hope you have an awesome week. Thanks.